baby Umbrella. She had a bath today, like a full-fledged, soaked her to the bone shower. So she's also a little tired, but her feathers look so pretty. Can you say hi? Hello, she's a good girl. She is a cuddle bug, let me tell you. And then Hickory. Hi, Hickory. Hi. Call him Hickory Yavo and he gets really excited. Hi, can you say hi? Such a goofball. What are you doing? So she's pretty popular on Facebook these days. Hi, what are you doing? Oh, look, she's so shy. She's just can't be on camera. And then Flip is out. Hi, Flippy. What you doing? He's so cute. Oh my God, I love him. So, as many of you know, Flip is really cool. See, no, he's like not gonna do it because he knows that I'm up to something. Let me see if I can, here, can you hold the camera really quick? Okay, so, as many of you know in the store, Flip will roll over on his back and just, he's ridiculous. He's such a good boy. All right. So we already had Marta and Rascal out today, so they're back in their cages. Hi, baby girl. Marta and Rascal also had soaked to the bone showers today, so they were both looking a little rough. So we had to give them a nice long shower. And they loved it. Hi, baby girl. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Marta. She's just a dancer. I love her. I can hear the Goffin back in the background going, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, Rascal. So Rascal's still a little wet from her shower. But oh my gosh, her tail is just, it's amazing how it looks so rough and tattered. And with one shower, it gets better. But you can see why she roughs it up because she's like a little savage. What are you doing? Hi. Hi, Rascal. Such a cute bird. Our Hyacinth is eating lunch. So she also was out all morning, so she's taking a little bit of a break. Just eating her snacks. Such a good bird. Jojo also got a manicure and a shower today. Hi, Jojo. She's such a good girl. And then we have Toby. Toby, can you say hi? He also tends to get a little bit camera shy, but he's such a funny talker. What are you singing? Toby can sing Somewhere Over the Rainbow when he wants to. I will spare the thousands that will see this video and not prompt him with my own voice. But if anybody is ever in the store and comes over and sings Somewhere Over the Rainbow to him, he won't sing it perfectly, but he will definitely chime in with some lyrics. So he is such a good, talented talker. But I grew up with him in my house, so he is not the biggest fan of me. I probably tormented him as a teenager, so. All right, everybody, so thank you. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot Nala. She would have never forgiven me. She's been behaving so good. She usually flies all over the place, and she sat so polite on her tree stand. So as many of you know, I have a little bit of favoritism in the store between some of my bigger birds, but Nala is definitely up in the top 5. So a lot of people, when I put Nala on camera, ask what species she is. She is a Pacephalus, so she is an African bird, and their name is a Cape parrot. So they're one of the very few species of parrot that are sexually dimorphic, so boys and girls look different. Boys have a silver head, and the girls have this adorable little peach head. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. I have to head out. I think I have a line of groomings I have to go do, but I love doing these Saturday live videos, especially now that the weather is changing. Hopefully you guys get a sense of what summer Chicago days are like here at Parrot Stars. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. We're giggling. We can't get the live video to end, so bear with us, everybody. Oh my Lord.